Welcome to Manager Training. Time frames. In this session, we'll walk through the setup and management of time frames. With time frames, you can control when calls are routed to different departments or sent to voicemail, ensuring your team is always available when needed and customers get the right response every time. Time frames are specific periods when certain events, such as call routing, occur. By creating time frames with different date and time ranges, you can apply them to answering rules, which allows you to control how calls are handled depending on the time of day. To view and create your time frames, click on the time frame icon in the top navigation menu bar in the portal. To create a time frame for a specific user, click on the Add Time Frames button next to that user. You'll see a field to name the time frame. Pick something memorable, as you're not able to change it once it has been created. Be sure to choose a name that clearly indicates the time frame's purpose, like my working hours. Under the name field, you will see 5 options for when the time frame should be in effect. 1. Always. This option makes the rule always in effect. 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. 2. Days of the week. This option allows you to select specific days of the week and hours for the time frame to take effect. Select the days and adjust the time. If you want a break in the middle of the time frame, click the plus sign to add another blue bar. 3. Specific dates. This option lets you configure the time frame to be in effect for a specific date. Select the start and end dates. Then set the start and end times. You can add more date ranges by clicking the plus sign. 4. Holidays. This option allows you to set the time frame to be in effect on specific holidays. You can select from predefined holidays or add custom holidays. 5. Custom. This option gives you the flexibility to create a time frame based on a custom schedule. You can specify any combination of dates and times to fit your needs. Once you've created a time frame, you'll need to assign it to a specific user. To do this, navigate to the Users section in the portal. You can filter all of your users simply by selecting an extension number, department, or site. Find the user you want to assign the time frame to. Then click on their name to open their settings. Next, go to the Answering Rules tab. Here, you'll see an option to add a new rule. Click Add Rule, then select the time frame you created from the drop-down menu. Once selected, if a call comes in when the time frame is in effect, the answering rule will route the call accordingly. If the call comes in outside of the active time frame, it will continue down the list of answering rules until it finds one with a time frame currently in effect. After setting up the rule, click Save to apply the changes. The time frame is now active for that user. And that's a wrap on time frames training. Remember, the time frames you set here will ensure your call handling is always aligned with your organization's operational needs, so you can deliver a seamless experience for your callers. Next session, we'll explore music on hold. Let's go!